Hi guys, this is a teardown of my Scorpion batch box rocket stove, pizza oven, whatever. I'm just going to pull it apart and try and reassemble it more closely to match a 5-inch system, because currently I am having problems with smoking, usually in the first 1.5 hours of the burn. After that I can get it clean, but I just have to keep to really dry wood. Anyway, let's take this apart and see what we've got. So this is to help me basically reinstate it. That cast iron plate I had on top was supposed to radiate heat down into the cooking chamber. Let's get rid of this. So there's my cooking surface, which is a 30 by 30 centimeter ceramic tile, and here's my riser. Now a 4-inch system should have a 100mm diameter riser, but you can see mine is quite a bit out. It's 120 by 80 millimeters. So I want to go to 5 inches, which is what is 5 inches anyway? 5 inches is 130 mils. So let's see if we can get 130 mils. I'm close to 130 mils here, but 130 mils is here. I'm going to have to move this brick wide across. Do I have anything that's 130 wide? I don't. So that's going to be a bit tricky. Might have to go to 120. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Let's take out my pizza stone. So I'm down to my pizza stone now. So that gap there is actually covered up with a brick, so that the flame path goes under there and up the chimney. This pizza stone needs a bit of a clean, and you can see I've got a metal aluminium plate just to support the pizza stone. Having removed the pizza stone, you can see that the floor of the secondary combustion chamber isn't too bad. There's not a lot of soot deposited on it, suggesting that I'm getting quite a lot of decent secondary combustion. These bricks in the middle that were supporting the pizza stone, and also diverting the gases in different directions, look a bit black, but I don't remember if they were like this before or after. So you can see that it's a very short path for the gases, just through the venturi port, and then just a few inches up here. I may be able to quantify that. Let's have a look. Where's my tape measure? So it was about 15 centimeters. So there's the top of the port. So the gases only had to travel 15 centimeters upwards, and then from the top of the port to reach this secondary burn chamber here and go out. The gases also rose upward here and provided heat for the oven. So the current width of my burn chamber is about 160 mils, or thereabouts. There is a bit. So I need to make it about 187 for a 5-inch chamber. So let's do that now. That looks a bit closer to 187. 187 approximately. That's good. The depth should be 5 inches, 281. So what have we got here? 280, pretty close, 281. So let's cover her up. Actually, what I might do, since I've got a few gaps there, and I've only got a bit of plywood at the bottom, I should probably fill those gaps with a bit of ash to protect it against fire from the combustion chamber. Do that first. Port dimensions, width should be 47 and the height should be 204. Well, not sure why. That looks 206. So the height of my burn chamber is a little bit low. So I think what I'll do is I'll just keep my existing constrictor here. Maybe I'll just put it this way. See how that goes. We've got 130 here for the riser. I only got 120 here, but I don't think I can get 130 just by dry stacking. So I'm going to keep the 120 for the moment, I think. Yeah, if I dry stack I'll use too many bricks. Let's push on. Got the pizza stone back on again. Now to try and place all the bricks so that we can get an oven out of this. Well, that's sort of finished stacking all these bricks up. I'm closing the top off a little bit because the riser really opens up under this pizza stone. So this is just to vent some of the hot air into this black oven here. And I managed to free up a fire brick which I can use to cover this off when I'm putting my hand into the black oven. So that looks pretty close to what I had before, and I can control the air intake. Hang on, let's get my glove. Control the air intake here just by sliding this brick across. My secondary air port is under there somewhere. There's the metal tube there. So, not bad for a dry stack. I've got a little bit of ash I'm just using to cover some cracks up here. Probably got a few more cracks I need to cover up. But, well, I guess I'll have to go and try this out. Thanks for watching.